Chamomile tea for upset stomach. Steep 5 minutes, sip warm after meals, gentle and quick relief. Elderberry syrup for colds. Take 1 spoon daily, double at first signs to shorten sniffles. Crushed garlic with honey helps sore throats. 1 small clove at night, water after. Ginger lemon tea eases cough. Simmer 10 minutes, add honey, sip slowly, breathe the steam. Peppermint for headache. Rub leaf oil on temples, then rest in shade for 10 minutes. Apple cider vinegar aids digestion. 1 spoon in warm water before meals. Steady energy. Echinacea tea at first sneeze. 2 cups for 2 days helps the body fight faster. Homemade kraut keeps the gut strong. A fork at lunch daily, simple probiotics, big help. Bone broth restores strength. Simmer long, add salt and herbs. Drink warm when weak or ill. Willow bark tea eases joint aches. Small cup after chores, rest and gentle stretching. Warm salt water clears a stuffy nose. Half teaspoon in a cup, tilt and pour gently. Steam with thyme opens the chest. Lean close, breathe slow, cough loosens safely. Comfrey leaf poultice for sprains. Wrap 20 minutes, then rest, never on open wounds. Oatmeal bath soothes itchy skin. Add to warm water, pat dry, and use plain balm.
With fever, drink water and broth, rest well. Small sips, cool cloth on neck, check often.
Beeswax mint chest rub, warms gently. Rub before sleep, keep chest covered, and air humid. Turmeric milk eases soreness. Warm milk, pinch turmeric and pepper, sip nightly for a week. Simple onion syrup for cough. Slice, layer with honey, take a spoon when cough starts. Wash hands often, keep nails short. Soap, warm water, full 20 seconds, fewer winter bugs.
If breathing is hard, chest hurts, or fever stay high, see a doctor. Home tips aren't enough.